and welcome to my channel. Today let's talk egg rolls. These egg rolls turn out exactly the way I like them every single time. They're loaded with vegetables and they're super easy to make. Let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do before prepping my vegetables is soak some cellophane noodles, and these become transparent when they are soaked in hot boiling water. And that's what I'm gonna do, leave them for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna work on some vegetables. I'm gonna chop some ginger, some garlic, and some carrots and cabbage. And I already prepped some ginger and some carrots. What's left is just to slice thinly some cabbage, and I'm using here half a cabbage. And I'm almost ready to start working on the egg rolls. Last thing I'm gonna do is chop the noodles. They've been sitting in the hot water for 5 minutes. I wash and drain and roughly chop and set them aside. Now that all the prep work is done, I can start on my filling. I add a little bit of vegetable oil, and here you can use whatever ground meat that you like. You can use pork, you can use turkey. I love to use turkey in this recipe. I let it brown a little bit and then add some garlic and some ginger. Add a little bit of salt, the carrots, the cabbage, and let them cook for 10 minutes. If you like my recipes and haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. So here I'm trying to cook on medium to high heat. I don't want any of the liquids left in the pan. Towards the end, I'm going to add some black pepper, some sesame oil, and a little bit of soy sauce. I add the bean threads or the noodles, incorporate them into the mixture, turn off the heat and let it cool completely before I use it as a filling. And using the right wrappers make a big difference. These spring roll wrappers, you'll find them in the freezer aisle. They're super thin and they're so crunchy when you fry them. I prefer to use them rather than using the egg roll wrappers. And a little bit of an egg wash will take care of the ends nicely. We'll seal the ends just like so. And I want to remind you that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients to everything I used in this recipe in the description box below. And here I'm gonna do another one for you, and you can see how thin the wrappers are. I add 2 tablespoons. If you want to add more, you can. Wrap it gently and seal with the egg wash. I heat the oil. It should be between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I fry the egg rolls in batches. This amount of filling will make about 30 good-sized egg rolls, and I like to serve with some sweet chili sauce and some hot mustard on the side, and maybe some green tea or jasmine tea. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's amazingly crunchy and very flavorful. And until next time, bon appétit!